Hey, Anais Salas here from Tech Talk Cooperative, and I am very excited to be making this video to share with you what I think is just a wonderful new landing page software that works with any WordPress theme, and it's called Profit Builder Pro. And I got a hold of this a couple of days ago. They're just a few days out of their product launch, and I saw this and I thought, oh my goodness, I make landing pages for my clients and as part of my mini sites and landing pages, and it's just a wonderful tool. I'm a really strong proponent of optimized press, but there are some differences which I'm going to share with you. But I want to show you just how quickly I was able to get a handle on this software. So this is the first landing page that I made. And this is early on in our funnel. This is one of the offers that will go out right after I let people know that I have some ebooks and some reports that may be helpful for them in the space of tech coaching. And this is a sample of a second landing that page that I made using one of the templates available in the software. And you can see this is very basic, but it's eye-catching, does the job. I've got my opt-in, I'm able to upload a good image and do some descriptives that are just going to hopefully have people think about, well, this looks interesting, I might want to read this ebook. And clickable links here with our phone number at Tech Talk Cooperative, and also this little link takes you right to our website. So this is another one that I popped out fairly quickly, and that included the time that it took for me to go in and design the report cover. So this was pretty exciting, and this is a second example, and I'm going to show you another one. And here's another example of a squeeze page that I made just to let members of Tech Talk Cooperative know that we will build their websites for them. I do a mini site with landing pages, as I mentioned, but we'll also help you build your own website and figure out the things that you need to do. So I'm really thrilled to be able to say to Tech Talk members, look, if you're going to build your own website, let's get you the tools so that you can also create some of your own landing pages. So you can see this is, again, very simple. I think this was the first one, maybe the second one I made, but anyway, so this is number 3, and I've done this in just a couple of days, and I find the once I got familiar with the way the software works, and I'm going to give you a little look at that, this was pretty easy to pull off, especially because over the time that I've been in business with Tech Talk Cooperative, I have my images well organized. I have lots of places to go where I can pull in either video or some wonderful images that I may have generated with Canva. I've got lots of stuff ready to just plug into a software program like this, which makes it much easier. And that's one of the things that I talk about in the online workshop that I do about content management. You really want to be prepared to make your work go smoothly and efficiently and get you to the next step, which is how you are connecting with people and beginning to work on those relationships and get them interested in understanding that you have something really great for them. Okay, I think I'm going to show you one more. Yeah, this is the, whoops, clicked the wrong button there. This is the last, or I should say the most recent one that I made, and I sort of finished this one up this afternoon. And as you can see, it's again a really simple design. There's the contact information. We have a lot of authority. Tech Talk Cooperative, we're well represented on Google, so I don't worry about people not having a sense of how to find out who we are and what we do. But as you can see, I took the time to make a very small video actually using some of the information that came through Profit Builder, because I'll tell you what, not only did I immediately scoop this up as a wonderful tool for my actual work, but I also jumped in as an affiliate. So I wanted to make a short video based on the information that they gave us as part of the affiliate tools to show you how wonderful this resource is, and to give you a sense of the variety of templates that are available to you. And this just gives you, this is a really nice scrollable page, and there we go. And clickable links, this is a clickable link, this is a clickable link. This certainly is inviting people. Let's see what happens if I click on this. If we get the, it should take me right to the landing page for Profit Builder. I'm going to pause the video for a sec. I'll come back to that view in a minute. It's taking a long time to load up because I'm actually running this recording of this video on my desktop. So that page is really dense, and it's got a lot of information, and it's loading up slowly. But what I wanted to show you was that with this software, we're getting more than 50 templates. It includes sales pages, landing pages, membership pages, and I am a user of OptimizePress, and I really like their software as well. They're different things, they do different things, but this Profit Builder, I think, is going to be a very important part of my resource base for my business. So I am going to quickly take you into what this looks like at the back end so you can see it. If you're familiar with OptimizePress and drag and drop, and you've spent some time using those design tools, this will be very easy for you to pick up. I have, let's see, what is it? I picked this up on Friday. It's Sunday today, and I've already knocked out 4 pretty good pages, and I'm got another one in the works. I'm waiting for the video to process. So you can see that if you're spending the time with it, and I always say to people, if you're going to use a new technical resource, and it's going to become a really integral part of your website, what you're doing, how you're communicating with people.
Hey there, this is Sean Donahoe, and let me ask you a question.
Okay, we're up on this other, there it is. And I heard Sean's voice, and you can probably hear it too.
Encoding, having a team of designers spending hundreds and hundreds of dollars on outsourcers.
You can see this is a gorgeous, gorgeous sales page. And I'm going to talk over Sean's video right now, and his here's his video. Okay, going to pause the video again. Okay, so that was really boomy, and I apologize for that sudden download of very intense sound. But anyway, we got that page loaded, and you could see Sean has really done a lot of work in putting this software together, and you're going to really be excited. I think you'll be as excited as I am. So now I'm just going to jump up into the dashboard of my site, and again I'm going to pause the video because it's going to take a little bit of time to get there. Okay, so this is my site that's a subdomain, and it is specifically set up for me to build landing pages inside this domain for my business. I am a real believer in using add-on domains or subdomains to get some of your work done and be able to put them out there on the net. So there's some things that came with Profit Builder, the all-around slider, the content timeline, Profit Builder itself, Revolution slider, and punch fonts. Now I haven't had time to master all of these yet, but I do want to show you something really cool about Profit Builder that I think you're going to really like. So this is the back of the software. I am in a WordPress site. And one of the things I want you to see is the templates that are available to you. So again, I will let that come up, and then we'll take a look. Okay, here we have the preloaded templates that you can just choose which ones you want to work with, and you install them. As you can see, there are some here that have been checked. I've already installed those. I'm playing around with those templates. There are lots and lots of squeeze pages for you to choose, lots of landing and sales pages that are going to come up in a minute. Again, I'm using a ton of memory right now on my computer. So these images are slowly loading up and coming to life. This is the landing page section, and I love this one. You have a timed landing page. You can let people know when your offer is going to run out. There's all kinds of wonderful structural setups here that then you can absolutely make unique and connect with your own branding through font options. You've got punch fonts, which allows you to upload, I think, something like 500 fonts from Google. You've got color options that you can change every element, and in a minute I'm going to show you what some of those elements look like. And here again we have a lot of variety, including landing pages where you have the option to upload a full image behind. The software supports parallax, or having a fixed image behind and scrolling information laid over in front. I really enjoy those sales pages and landing pages a great deal myself. I think they're really lovely. And then as we come down, there are other options here, and there's a Pinterest or a marketing physical product page, or you could even use this page to set up if you're doing anything with Amazon. You could definitely use that page for that. Here are some member portal pages and potential training pages for you, some authority pages, home pages, and then the webinar pages. I really think these are going to come in very handy. I do a lot of that. And even if you're doing a teleseminar, whether you're using Webinar Jam, which I also really love, but I like to have the independence of being able to lay out a webinar page, and especially if I'm going to be creating evergreen content and I'm setting up webinars and teleseminars that I'm going to reuse over time, because the topics stay fresh as new people come into contact with what I'm doing as a tech coach. And then here's some really nice product review pages. Again, this would be great if you're doing anything with Amazon products, or you've got some other things that you want to share with your people about things that you're excited about. And then here's some new pages that I think they just loaded these in, because these weren't in here last night, which I love. Okay, so it's a JV sign up page. There's a bonus giveaway, email confirmation. I am going to have a ton of fun with this software. This is just amazing. And then down here you have a ClickBank opportunity for e-commerce. I do have some of my coaching programs on ClickBank, so that makes me happy. And I'm setting up online project management with my clients for whom I may work with a year to get their program or product online. This is the kind of marketing page I want to be able to offer to them simply and quickly, and that we can make adjustments in our ongoing relationships over time as their marketing campaigns change for their products. So here are here's a couple of FAQ pages you could use, and coming soon. Now all of these can be customized to reflect your branding and your messages. So I want to just pause the video again for a second, and I'm going to show you what the back end of the editing page looks like, and I'm going to try to keep this video to 15 minutes. I really am going to try. Okay, this is great. I am still working on this page, and I had to stop a little earlier because I was waiting for Vimeo to process my video about my ebook. And here you can see this is a really, really nice looking squeeze page, and it's got the social media feel in the back with lots of faces, like a kind of a dimmed wall of people looking. And this is probably something that I will use to promote my ebook, on the free ebook on social media, Pinterest or possibly Facebook. But here you can see the elements. I want to show you how easy this is. So if I wanted to change this message here, I would simply click on the pencil icon, and this view, this editor view, opens up with lots of options: changing text color, adding shadow, You can even add some animation if I wanted to do that. I could think about animating this and have the let's just give you something to look at that'll be fun. Let's have this fade in and see what it looks like when the software decides that it can fade in this information. I haven't tried this before, so I don't know what's going to happen here. There you go. So it just makes things a little bit more interactive and a little bit more interesting, which I think is wonderful. And again, I would close this. And then, as with any editor, you have to get into the habit of saving your pages. But along the top here, you can see, well, maybe you can't see that. I have to change that. These are your shortcode options down here. And I'm going to change the view on the video so that you can see some of the top editing functions. But here you can see this down, coming all the way down to the bottom. This is my, I can change any of these. I can change this as a button. I can activate it. Make these all very, very useful to people who are seeing this page. Okay, so here at the top, there's my save page. I could save this page as a template. This is where I would load in one of the pre-designed templates. You can import templates from other sites and other pages. You can export a template that you save here. This is your preview the page mode so that you can see it. You can show and hide. So there the controls are gone away, the editor controls. You can toggle zoom. And this is really cool. We're looking right now at a computer, what this would look like on a computer, and then we can take it down a notch, and then we can take it down to a Kindle view or a reader view, and then we can take it down to a cell phone view. So you get to see how your site is going to look, right? So that's pretty cool. And I find that really wonderful that you can check on all of this, and then you have the larger view for you to do your editing work. So, okay, I'm over 15 minutes, boo-hoo, but I wanted you to get a glimpse of what this is, and I'm really excited about this, and I'm going to be blasting this information out to everybody. And I hope that the members of Tech Talk who are seeing this are going to get excited, and they're going to want to jump on this as an affiliate option too. Okay, that's it from Anais and Tech Talk Co-op. Again, the software is called Profit Builder. Good stuff.